At the first Bauma Africa Trade Fair in Johannesburg, many innovations in construction equipment are introduced to the market. Bell Equipment, specialists in dumpers, presents the B60D, the first 60-ton weight articulated dump truck.
In the Bell booth in 2013 at Bauma, we have our full range of products, but the product that we premier in is the B60. It's our latest product. We're very proud to have it, we're very excited. It's a new product to the market, and it's also something that I think is going to revolutionize mining out through Africa, Russia, Australia and Canada. The machine runs a Mercedes 501 engine, a V8 engine. It's at 420 kilowatts. It carries just over 34 cubic meters of material, and it's designed to compete directly with a conventional 60-ton rigid truck. Being a four-wheel drive and having articulation and oscillation, there's quite a few benefits. The first being that you don't have to do so much maintenance on the cycle. You don't have to maintain the roads to the level that you would with a rigid truck. And you also, in the tip and the dumping areas, the machine's much less likely to get stuck. The fact that it's four-wheel drive, especially in Africa, where you get a lot of moisture, a lot of rain, the machine will carry on hauling through the wet season, where rigid trucks would not be able to haul. We're actually very confident there'll be a price reduction over a rigid truck. So we're looking at probably around 15 to 20% cheaper than a rigid truck. And I think the running costs will also be lower than an ADT, having only four-wheel drive. Part of the reason for displaying the B60 at Bauma Africa was to gauge customer feedback. We've had a lot of customers come through the booth, and I have to say the interest has been extremely high. All the customers are understanding the concept and where this machine can fit in. In fact, it's actually quite an obvious concept to us, and the customers see the machine in action, they understand how it's going to replace rigids and still give a better benefit than an ADT would. The design of the dump body is basically to match the loading tool, so it will always be loaded by an excavator, so you need a wide square-shaped dump body. We've also wanted to position the dump body over the back axle, so we're not putting extra load transfer into the front of the machine, and that allows us to make sure we've got the off-road ability and the confidence we've gained with the front end, which is very similar to our B50 machine. The B60 will always be paired with an excavator working between 4 and 6 passes. We've got it displayed at Bauma Africa with a 103-ton Liebherr 974 SHD excavator, which would be a perfect matching tool with just over 100 tons. And it would do 4 passes and then fill the bin. It's really about us as Bell being ADT specialists. We've got a lot of confidence in the machine. And we're looking at running trial machines next year and a launch probably in 2015.
Balforum 24 TV. Construction in motion. www.balforum24.tv